Hi everyone! In today's video, we're going to be looking at an AI-powered speech-to-text tool. So this is really useful for transcribing your ideas, your thoughts. Perhaps you don't have a notebook to hand, perhaps you prefer to keep your notes digitally. Let's have a look. So this tool is called AudioPen and it's completely free to use, but you will need to register your account with an email address and a password in order to access this tool and in order to access your previous transcriptions that you've made. So this tool is basically good if you have an idea and you want to say it out loud rather than write it down. It simply transcribes what you said, so it's sort of a speech-to-text tool. And you can see on my dashboard here, I previously did one about weekend barbecue plans. So let's see how it works. I'm planning a lesson for B2 language learners and I want to recycle a lot of the language that we learned last week. I want them to focus on future plans and their own personal future plans for job, for studying, for everything in their lives. So that's just one example of what you could use it for. If you've got an idea for a lesson, perhaps you have something that you just don't have time to write down and you'd prefer to say aloud, it rewrites it for you in note form. And you can create an image based on that as well. You can share it with someone. And of course, you can copy it and add it to, let's say, a PowerPoint perhaps as well. So all of your notes are stored on your account. If you'd like to learn more about using AI in the classroom, head over to our website, eltcpd.com. We have 2 courses available, using AI for productive skills and using AI for receptive skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button for when more videos like this go live. And of course, you can find us on LinkedIn, Facebook and Instagram at ELTCPD.